So I always ask myself, when people always talk about rain coming soon, I'm like, you can look to the sky and, you know, if you see the clouds, the right kind of clouds, you might be seeing rain soon. Well, I'm looking up in the sky and got all these frickin' chemtrails. All you non-believers of those things, we got these funny shaped straight clouds. What that actually right there is, it's hard for me to show you right there, but that is actually, those are gases falling. And they'll be, they'll spread out. It's important to know which way they're spraying them too. If they're going towards the ocean, meaning for me, since I'm on the west coast, heading towards the ocean, west, then they're either pushing the clouds away or there's some coming from the south, but most of the time they pull the moisture or push it. They don't push it away or pull it in. That's what they do. See all these straight clouds, just only in certain areas too. They don't just spray it everywhere. Specifically over farmlands, huge residential areas. Yeah, the full view, full cloud spectrum. By the way, it's August 9th, 2014. And hasn't been rain. California's in a drought, but see, they're trying to make it for us. Hopefully, make it and not break it.